everybody, welcome back to my channel, and hi if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on this channel. So today, as you can see, we're going to be unboxing the GlossyBox 2021 Advent Calendar. I've already unboxed the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar, so I figured it would be a good choice to unbox this one as well, considering I am now subscribed to GlossyBox in general. This retails for $99. It has 25 full-size and deluxe-size products in it, which is an amazing deal for what you're getting, I personally believe. So we're gonna go through it and see if this is like the right advent calendar for you. But I do have a link with GlossyBox, so I'm gonna link it down below and it will give you a discount on the box. I'll explain it all in the description box just so it's a little bit easier to understand and to see. But yes, the links are down below, and I will be showing you every product in here today. Let's open her on up. So when you open it up, it comes with 4 different drawers, and then you open up each drawer and all of the products are inside and they're labeled. So I'm going to take all the drawers out and then we will go through 1 through 25. Here is box number 1. The advent calendar comes with a little packet that says everything that's in here, so I'm going to be reading this to give you guys more information on the product. But number 1 is the NEOM Perfect Night Sleep Scented Candle. So this deluxe size retails for $18.50. This is the travel size version. Okay, that's so cute, and it is a strong, it's a heavy lavender scent, but it also has sweet basil and jasmine. It smells really, really good, and this is going to be perfect to put on your nightstand and just light as you're going to fall asleep, and then blow it out before you actually fall asleep. But this is so relaxing. This smells really good. All right, here is number 2. This is also a travel size. I love this packaging. Very aesthetic. It's the Authentic Beauty Concept Stronghold Hairspray. This is a really good deluxe size. I couldn't get it off at first. We'll just spritz a little bit in our hair right now. I always have flyaways at the top of my head, so that should help. It smells really refreshing. It smells really good. So this retails for $10 for this size. And what I like is that they have tips for all of the products on here. So the last tip was to light the candle before bedtime to allow the fragrance to fill the room. And this tip is to shake well and spray 8 to 12 inches away on dry hair for invisible yet long-lasting style control. Use in short bursts. You can get this at Ulta, so that's cool. So for number 3, this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This deluxe size retails for $16, and it says to massage a pea-size amount onto damp skin with fingertips, then rinse with more water. I love that they include Elemis products in here because they are so luxurious and they do sell for a higher price point. So I love getting them in these advent calendars because I can try some like clean formulas a lot cheaper than it would cost me to buy the full size of this. Number 4, this one is rather large. Let's see what is inside of here. Oh, I ripped it. Oh, how cool. So this is the makeup eraser. This is a full size. It retails for $20, and you can wet it with warm water and then use to remove your makeup. It says you can machine wash it 1 to 2 times per week. Let's be honest, if I'm taking off my makeup, I'm going to machine wash it immediately. So this is truly the full size. This is awesome. I've actually only tried a sample of this before. It was like this little square. So this is really exciting, and it comes in all different colors. I'm glad they gave me the pink. It comes in white and black, literally the whole rainbow of colors. So this was a good one to get. Can't wait to try this out and see if it actually works. All right, so here is number 5. Ooh, this is the Glow Recipe Deluxe Size Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is $22, and it says use 2 scoops or a generous layer on the skin as the final step of the evening routine. Rinse thoroughly in the morning. Now this is exciting because in the winter, I personally get even more dry skin. So this is something perfect I can just throw on and then use and have more hydrated skin in the morning. So I'm really happy about this. I love Glow Recipe products. I haven't really bought them in a while because I'm trying just so many new things lately, but it is a pretty solid brand. So this is a great buy. So this is $22. The last thing was $20. You literally are getting your value for the box within the first like 5 things. 900. Okay, yeah, so within the first 6 things, you're literally getting $100 worth. That's cool. Just doing some quick maths here on that. So that was number 5. Let's do number 6. So this is the Polar Deluxe size of the Genuine Lapland hand cream. So the Deluxe Mini, which is what this is worth $8, and the full size is worth $22. So this says apply when necessary to clean dry hands. Let's smell it. So I genuinely don't know what that smells like, but it's super subtle. Okay, this is awesome. Again, I've said this before, I am the hand cream plug in school. So if anybody needs hand cream, I always have it because I have such dry skin, as you guys I'm sure already know. So this is a great one to have for my backpack once I run out of my Caudalie one. This one is clean ingredients, so I'm definitely going to be getting a ton of use out of this. All right, number 7. This is a full size, small, but it's a full size of the MCO Beauty Blush on Cheek Stick. It retails for $16 and it says swipe on lips and cheeks and gently dab on your eyelids for a pop of color. So this is in the shade Bronze. That's what it looks like. It's definitely more of a red. I would not call this a bronze myself, but it's a really pretty color. I'm excited to give this a go and see what I think of it. It blends out so well. I just started blending it on my hand and I was like, oh, they need to see that. So this definitely feels like it's going to be a good texture for your skin. And it definitely does pull a little bit more bronze when it's sheared out. On initial application, it definitely pulls a little bit more red. Time for number 8. So this is a full-size product. It is the Figs and Rouge Wonder Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drops. This is $58 and it says place 3 to 6 drops evenly on your T-zone and massage with fingertips. Follow with normal skincare routine. See what that looks like up close. Oh, how lovely is that? I love that color. It doesn't go with like my aesthetic, but it's still really cute. It says that this gently exfoliates and unclogs pores while reducing dry, uneven, or bumpy skin with the serum. I will be the judge of that. Its combination of vitamins, hyaluronic acid, aloe, and algae will give your skin a lovely boost of moisture while smoothing out your complexion. I'm so excited to try that, and I love the name. That's such a cute name. We'll have to give this a go. Okay, number 9. This looks like a lip kit. So this is the KAB Cosmetics. This is full size, retails for $38. It's the Charming Lip Kit. So let's see what color this is. Okay, so it is like a nice pinky red tone. This definitely looks great for fall. Ooh, that is sharp. That's awesome. Let me do a little swatcheroo. So it's a lip liner and then the lip gloss. Oh, that is a big applicator. I was not expecting that at first. So here's the colors of the lip gloss. This is perfect for the season that's coming up. I kind of wish personally that it was a nude, but I understand that a nude is different for everybody, so it'd be hard to put a nude in here. So this is kind of like a good product that would look good on literally everybody's skin. But yeah, this is from KAB Cosmetics. Here is number 10. Ooh, this is fun. This is the Viktor & Rolf Deluxe size of the Flower Bomb, and this retails for $28 for the 7 milliliters worth. It says apply to wrists and neck. Now, this is super exciting. It's just a teeny little one, and it's not the spray. You're gonna have to dab this on your skin. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I remember I tried it back in the day, but this hasn't been in my collection or even on my radar in years. So it is good to see that this perfume is still thriving. I know a lot of people love it. It's kind of like a sweet floral scent, and we know I love sweet base notes in perfumes, so this is beautiful. Time for 11. Oh, this is interesting. This is the After Spa Full Size Daily Facial Dry Brush. So use in a gentle circular motion on the face on clean and dry skin. This retails for $20 and it says it helps drain lymphatic nodes, increase circulation, and reduce puffiness, and it exfoliates your skin. I wonder how you clean this brush itself, because you don't just want like dead skin cells on your brush. Really interested about that. Here is number 12. It is a kabuki brush. This is the BELLAPIERRE full-size mini kabuki brush. That's funny, full-size mini kabuki brush. And this retails for $20. That feels really nice. I actually don't have a kabuki brush. I just go with brushes that have a handle. So this is cool because I don't already have one. Just your standard little kabuki brush. All right, here's number 13. Ooh, this I'm actually really excited for. This is the GlossyBox Skincare. So GlossyBox itself has its own house skincare line, and this is the Hydrating Mist. It is the full size and it retails for $21, and it says spritz all over your face and neck before applying makeup or throughout the day for a quick refresher. This is why I got the box, primarily because I love hydrating mists and I've been wanting to try this, and then when I saw that I could get all this other stuff, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for this so I can try out the GlossyBox Skincare. I love that they added in here. I think it's really great to show off their own house brand, and I'll let you guys know how this is. It's super cute. I love the packaging. It's really basic, but it's pretty. So definitely excited to give this a go. It says it tones, primes, and refreshes. This is something I would try before I put on my makeup. And it's made in the UK, which is just kind of cool. All right, number 14. This is the One Kind Deluxe Size Pore Perfectionist Refining facial. So this is worth $10 and it says apply it 1 to 2 times a week to clean dry skin and then rinse well after 20 minutes. It says it has all like clean ingredients. It has pink clay and AHAs and BHAs. This is super exciting. I'm really excited to try this out because I love this kind of product on my face. Never seen this brand before, so I don't know much about it, but the ingredients are looking pretty good and it's made without like fragrances, artificial dyes, silicones, blah blah, parabens. So that's really awesome. Number 15. Oh, there's 2 in here. So this is the FEKKAI travel size full blown volume shampoo and conditioner. They retail for $8 each, so $16. I don't really need help with volume. I have pretty voluminous hair, but this will be good to try out. I haven't used this brand since high school, honestly. That was the last time I used these products. So it'll be good to give these a go again. All right, number 16. This one feels super light, so this might be a deluxe size. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is from Josephine Cosmetics. It's a full size, eye define waterproof graphic liner. It retails for $25. It says glamorously healthy. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is a really clean beauty formula. It has jojoba oil as the second ingredient. Are you kidding me? And it's waterproof. I am beyond excited to try this out. It literally has the look of the Stila felt tip liner. Ooh. Okay, I am literally living for this. I'm so excited to try this out because I've been needing a good liner, but a lot of them irritate my sensitive skin. I'm so excited for this. All right, this box is worth it, 100%. They won me over. That's so cool. It's so hard to find a liquid liner that works with clean ingredients, trust me. It's hard, so excited about that. On to 17. Ooh, this is another full size. There's a lot of full size in this box. This is from Earth Harbor. Can I pronounce it? It is the Nebula Adaptogen Clarity Ampoule. Retails for $46. So you're gonna apply this after toning and after cleansing. Make sure it's, ooh, that's cool. Holy moly, is that the bottle or is that the product? Okay, no, that's the bottle. They had me in the first half. So this says it's both a clarifying treatment and a glow enhancing elixir. It's a featherlight flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help stressed skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Oh my God, I'm literally breaking out from the maskne. I wear a mask every time I go to school and I keep it on and I have to talk a lot. So it's, well, I don't have to talk a lot. I just do talk a lot. So I break out really bad. So I'm so friggin' excited for this. And it's clean beauty. Are you kidding me? Okay, this is cool. I love that they have clean beauty products. Like that's such an initiative in the market. I know greenwashing is a thing where things appear to be more green than they are, like more sustainable when they're actually not. However, when companies actually get it right, I love it. Number 18. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so my number 18 and what their number 18 is different. So this says that you're gonna get the Cleo Noir full-size eyeshadow. This is a Beyond Liquid Highlighter in OMG from ILLAMASQUA. So I don't know if you're gonna actually get this one or like which one's wrong, but yeah, this is a liquid highlighter and it looks to be, oh my God, it has the teeniest little protective seal on it. I have never seen one that small. I appreciate it, but how am I supposed to get that off? Holy moly, that is so tiny and so friggin' cute. Okay, so that looks a little bit dark for my skin tone. Maybe not. I don't know, I can't tell. It's super drying. Like it dries down really fast. I don't know much about the product since I don't have it on here, but we will figure it out. Okay, number 19. This is fun. Oh, it says Miami. This is a full size, color may vary, nail polish. $8 from Deco Miami. And I got the color Tamale. So their picture was like this light blush color. I wish I got that one because this one is a bright red. This will be good for the holidays, I will say. So it's cute. It definitely is like aesthetic packaging. I really like that. I'm not really a red nail polish sort of girl, but it's still cute. And I've never heard of this brand before. It says it's a luxury quality nail polish. I don't really know what a luxury nail polish is, but I'm for it. Number 20. So this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hand Cream. It is a deluxe size and it is worth $5. So it says you can get instant and long-lasting hydration with this repair cream. It's formulated with colloidal oatmeal and it's soothing, leaves you hydrated, blah, blah, blah. That is so fun. Doesn't smell like anything. This is definitely just one of those standard products that are good for everybody's skincare routine. Just having something super ultra rich and moisturizing. I don't care if you're oily. There's gonna be at some point in the year that you can benefit from this, maybe overnight to help reduce the oils the next day, or if you're super dry. So this is fun, love that. Number 21, this one's heavy. Ooh, what is this? A dual mask. This is the VITABRID C12 full size facial boosting water plus dual mask, brightening and luminous. So it says after cleansing, gently pat toner onto face and neck and then follow with the sheet mask. Wow, that's 2 products in one. This retails, the facial boosting water retails for $28 and the sheet mask retails for $7. Deep hydration and moisture. Very, very interesting. All right, time for number 22. This is the 111 Skin Deluxe Size of their NACY2 Restorative Cleansing Balm. So this is worth $17.50 for the Deluxe Mini, and that sounds about right for this brand because they are very, very expensive. They do have clean beauty from what I can see. Lots of cool extracts in here that would be fun to try. I love getting these mini cleansers because 1, it makes for a fun treat if I'm traveling, and then 2, if my skin starts to get used to the current cleanser that I use every day, it's good to switch it up and use up a mini and then go back to my normal cleanser just to keep my skin like not getting used to my products, because that happens on my skin for sure. So this is fun to try, and I probably wouldn't have bought this unless it was in here. Okay, so number 23 is the Medic 8 C-TETRA Luxe. This is a deluxe size worth $12.50. None of that has meant anything to me yet. It is a vitamin C enhanced radiance serum. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. I was like, what are these words? So after cleansing in the morning, massage 6 drops across the face, neck, and décolletage. Leave and absorb with your moisturizer. That's fun. So it's just a little vitamin C serum. I can never get enough of those. I like that this one is small because I know vitamin C is prone to breaking down, so that's fun. It contains vitamin F. But this is cool. This is another clean beauty product to try out. Number 24 is large and in charge. Let's see what this is. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Company full size, what is this? Satin pillowcase. Sleep like a princess. Ooh, and this is in like a pretty pink color. That's fun. I use the slip pillowcases. They're very, very pricey, but it is so worth it for my hair. So this is like a fun alternative. And last but not least is number 25. I'm excited. Ooh, there's 2. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Wonder Beauty full size Wondrous Rush eyeshadow palette, which retails for $25, as well as ELAINA BADRO full size Divine Duo set of her eyeshadow brushes. Those are a cute pink color and they retail for $34. What's so exciting is this eyeshadow palette does not have talc in it, so I can actually use it. And these brushes are so cute. There's like a nice fluffy blender brush and then kind of like an eyeliner brush or a brow brush. This is pretty. This is gonna be perfect for the fall and winter because you have that like olive color, a mustardy gold, a deep brown, a little bit of a light mauve, and this color Charge. Ooh, that is right up my alley. Just a great sheen. Ooh, holy moly. These eyeshadows are so good. What a cool formula. There's that like olive green with some gold reflex in it. I'm gonna get this all over. So these are colors that I love and I don't already have most of these in my collection, which is super, super awesome. Worth it. All right, you guys, that is it. That is all that was in this beautiful, beautiful advent calendar. I think this is such a fun gift to give somebody or to get yourself for the holidays. With advent calendars, unfortunately, you need to get them early because they sell out or it's delayed shipping, stuff like that. Just what I've noticed in general with the advent calendar world. I've been getting advent calendars for literally ever, and I'm just now showing them to you here on the channel. But this one is definitely great if you have a beauty lover or a makeup lover in your life. This is really, really good. I feel like the Look Fantastic beauty box was more for kind of like mature or skincare focused individuals, where this one seemed to cater more towards a younger crowd, slightly younger, young adult, and it has a little bit more makeup. So you can kind of pick which one you would prefer. This one was still an amazing box, definitely worth the value. And there's great skincare in here too. Honestly, any skin type or any maturity level can use any box, but this is just my quick little analysis. So again, I will have everything linked down below. I'll have a link to the box and then the coupon code that they provided me with for you guys just to have. I definitely have one for the GlossyBox itself in general, and then also this advent calendar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it if you stayed all the way till the end. So please hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. I post every Thursday and Sunday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Florida. If you like this video too, please feel free to hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.